Okay, here we go. Issue 23. New batch just come in today, so that's all good. So I'll fly through these, and we're going to be assembling the right shoulder joint. So there's all the instructions. An article about Edward Scissorhands, classic. The science of limb replantation and transplantation. And then next week's issue, we're going to be, I think, connecting the right shoulder. So we've got a plate there, another ball to finish off, and some other bits. So let's see what we've got in this issue. So in this issue, we've got 3 parts. We've got that one, we've got this one. Those are both metal and metal screws. So let's crack on with the build. So the first thing we need to do is bring back this part from a previous issue and this part from a previous issue, and we're going to be working on this section, and we need to get the orientation right on this initially so it looks like the magazine. So we've got three screw holes, 1, 2, 3. That's the orientation. And then in orientation on this one is the 2 raised screw holes are north and south. And then what we're going to do, what I'm going to do, because I know I've seen previous builders do this, and this bit moves out when you're screwing it together. So I'm going to try and just put a bit of tape over that to stop it moving about, which we can screw through and then rip out. Then we need to get this part and line that up with those 2 screw holes. Hang on a sec, wait there. Wasn't quite north and south, yeah. Yeah. So we get the screws loaded up and get that screwed together. As soon as we get 1 screw in, we should be good. And we won't fully tighten that one until we get the second one in. So that's as tight as it goes. I think I need to tighten that one off camera. Doesn't seem to be going in fully. Anyway, won't bore you with that. That's that stage completed. And that's the part we didn't use, and we've got a spare screw. So don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one.